Imagine sliding into the driver's seat of the 2026 Lexus NX, a compact luxury SUV that perfectly blends sophistication, technology, and performance. From the very first glance, the NX makes a bold statement. Its signature spindle grille has evolved into a more refined, integrated design, flanked by sharp LED headlights and sleek daytime running lights that give it an unmistakable Lexus identity. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a sporty yet elegant profile. Available 18 and 20-inch alloy wheels add to its confident stance, while the full-width LED taillight at the back gives it a modern, premium look, especially at night. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving styles. The NX 250 features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering smooth and reliable everyday performance. Stepping up to the NX 350, you get a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine producing around 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers strong acceleration, confident highway passing, power, and a refined driving experience. For those focused on efficiency, the NX 350h Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to produce approximately 240 combined horsepower while achieving impressive fuel economy close to 39 mpg combined. At the top of the efficiency range, the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid offers both performance and sustainability, delivering quick acceleration along with an estimated 37 miles of all-electric driving range, perfect for daily commutes without using fuel. Behind the wheel, the NX feels balanced and composed. The suspension absorbs bumps comfortably while maintaining stability in corners. If you choose the F Sport handling trim, you get sport-tuned suspension, enhanced steering feel, and unique design elements that give the SUV a more athletic character. All-wheel drive is available across most trims, providing better traction and confidence in different road conditions. Inside the cabin, Lexus focuses on what they call a Tazuna driver-centric cockpit design. Everything is angled slightly toward the driver, making controls intuitive and easy to reach. The standard Lexus interface includes a 9.8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a massive 14-inch display that feels crisp and responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected. The available 10-inch head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Material quality is where the NX truly shines. Soft touch surfaces, available genuine leather upholstery, contrast, stitching, and customizable ambient lighting with multiple themes elevate the overall atmosphere. Heated and ventilated front seats add comfort in all seasons, and the available panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious. Speaking of space, the 2026 NX comfortably seats 5 passengers. Rear legroom is generous for the segment, and cargo capacity is practical for daily errands or weekend trips. With the rear seats up, you get over 22 cubic feet of cargo space, and folding them down nearly doubles that capacity, offering versatility without stepping up to a larger SUV. Safety is another major highlight. Every 2026 Lexus NX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This includes features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign recognition, and automatic high beams. Available upgrades such as a 360-degree camera system and advanced parking assist make tight maneuvers much easier. Technology goes beyond just screens. The NX includes cloud navigation for real-time route updates and an intelligent assistant that responds to voice commands with a simple, "Hey Lexus." Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current, adding convenience and future-proofing the experience. What truly makes the 2026 Lexus NX stand out is its balance. It offers the reliability Lexus is known for, strong resale value, excellent hybrid efficiency options, and a luxurious interior, all wrapped in a stylish, modern package. Whether you prioritize performance, fuel economy, cutting-edge tech, or premium comfort, the NX lineup has a version tailored to your needs. The 2026 Lexus NX isn't just another compact luxury SUV. It's a well-rounded, thoughtfully engineered vehicle designed for modern lifestyles, delivering confidence, efficiency, and refinement every time you get behind the wheel.